everyone, I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little more DIY than I normally do. First of all, I'm going to tell you that I am using, this is a found surface, it's a wood surface, and I painted it with Dixie Belle Gravel Road color paint. My upline uses these brands of paint. They're really great. First time I've used it. Love it. And I'm also going to be using our simple shapes. They're Chalk Couture. They come in a 4-pack. You get 2 round 6-inch and 2 square 6-inch boards. These open. I'm just going to be using one of the squares. And I'm going to be using, transfers I'm going to be using is, this is from our Farm Charm collection. And I'm going to be using, this is called the Farmhouse Tile pattern. And I'm going to be putting that on this surface. And I'm going to be using Feels Like Home, that's from the Farm Charm collection. Our Chalk Stories, which is a group of transfers that are grouped together that they can be separate or they interchange with each other, and that's what these are. And they are in our catalog now, and they will be in the new catalog that starts July 6th, our autumn winter catalog. And the chalk paste I'm going to be using is black velvet and bright white. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the pattern on this. I'm going to put this one on this without the chicken on this surface, and I'm going to be popping it up. So I'm going to get started. And there's my project. I love the way it turns out. I used a Chalk Couture old lid to pop underneath of it so that it pops it out a little bit. But I love the way it turns out. I really was excited about doing this project. I did have to admit I did copy the idea from somebody else I saw do something like this. But here's my project, and I'm so proud of how it turned out. And all my details are below. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment below, and again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.